Hey guys, what's up? Robby here with World of Games, and we are taking a look at a brand new official update about Red Dead Redemption 2. We've got some brand new images and so much more, and you may hear some background noise because I am traveling. I'm at the airport right now, but I'm also joined by my twin bro Ryan.
What's up, everybody?
Alright, so let's dive straight into the news. Yes, you can see all these glorious new images playing in the background. I wish I could go into detail about them more, but we see, beautiful prairies here. We see the train on the bridge, and of course, our protagonist, it appears, on a horse, but it also looks like we will be getting dual wielding as well. But also, guys, yes, Red Dead Redemption 2 has been delayed to spring 2018 officially, and it's coming to the PlayStation 4 and Xbox One. No mention of PC at first. But I would expect that to come eventually, maybe 6 months after launch. And they go on to explain that they really want time with the development of this game to ensure that they can deliver the best experience possible to the fans. They're very sorry for the disappointing delay, of course. But hopefully we get a new trailer here or something, a tease, June 13th through the 15th at E3. 2017, so that would be really cool. But at least we got to see these epic screenshots. They look amazing, of course. I cannot wait to see more. So guys, stay tuned here to World of Games. And remember, we are giving away a copy of Red Dead Redemption 2 to celebrate its arrival. All you have to do is subscribe, like, and of course, comment on this video to enter. Good luck to everyone. Thanks, guys. Stay tuned. And I will see you guys soon enough in the Wild West.